this is safe.
Nice.
So crucial. Playing great players. I'm under the 8 if he's going to try to hit it hard. No. He's elected to play safe.
There's the definition of the safety.
Oh my.
Wow.
Grabe. Efren Bata Reyes.
Low. That means he's going back.
Well,
Oh.
then again,
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah.
Swerte lang yun.
he decides.
Filipino players, you're in serious trouble.
What is he doing?
Efren Bata Reyes ulit dito mga kabilyarista.
Stay away from the chess game.
Another one.
What is he going to do here? Back and forth, back and forth. 1, 2.
Grabe naman yun.
You practice by yourself and who got lucky is gonna win this.
Sipila.
Kicking.
Gianco Bustamante.
It was an artistic display, and they're leaving as the team to beat.
Sa Efren Bata Reyes.
Jim, I'd like to say it's been a pleasure working with you. You made things easy.
Francisco for the final. Salutes.
Magandang araw ng mga kabilyarista. Isa na naman paglaro na Efren Bata Reyes ang ating mapapanood ngayon sa araw na to. 2006 World Cup of Pool Championship 9-ball Race 13. Final na po ito mga kabilyarista. Philippines versus USA. So punta na tayo sa rack 3. Lamang ang Team Philippines ng dalawang rack dito. At sa Efren Bata Reyes ang tumira. Binigyan ng magandang preparation si Django. So magkasama po si Gianco Bustamante dito mga kabilyarista, Team Philippines.
First one and the last one. USA yet to win it.
Dalawang pinakamagaling na manlalaro ng Pilipinas na gumawa ng napakagandang history sa world of billiard. Magkumpare.
One more
So sila po ang unang-unang Pilipino
position for the 7.
na talagang tumatak sa mga may hilig na bilyarista na nakilala sa kanilang galing at husay. Pangamat naman naman dito sa Efren Bata Reyes. Pangalawa po dito si Gianco Bustamante. 3 bola na lang para sa Team Philippines. Kalaban nila dito, Team USA. So, final match na po mga kabilyarista.
Looks like just straight back here. Should be able to just pinch a little of the pocket and come down the left-hand side of the table for the 9 bottom right.
A whole pocket there.
Isi-shot kay Efren Bata ang bola 9 at gagawing 3 rack ang kalamangan sa Team USA.
To the bottom of the pocket for a 3-0 advantage over the number.
Much better than Strickland.
Rack 4, Team USA break. Ang patakaran dito, alternate break. Si Rodney Morris, ang Team USA, at ang
It is vital for them to get the
pinaka-controversial na tirador ng Amerika, napakagaling, Earl Strickland. Talagang pag manunood ka sa kanyang laro, may mga
great shot.
pagkakataon na
What a shot on the 2 into a blind pocket.
masusuya ka sa mga diskarte nitong si Efren. Napakagaling naman lalaro po ito ng Amerika. Isa ito sa pinakamagaling na nakalaro na Efren Bata Reyes.
Spotting that shot from Morris, even though they know that might cost their goes this rack. Another good shot.
Grabe naman ang galing ng pinamangyon ni Earl Strickland. Sakto ang preparation sa bola 4 para kay Rodney Morris.
You Sends that cue ball to Scott.
No good.
That was no good.
Medyo napalakas lang ang tira ni Rodney.
He doesn't have a lot of angle. You may have to try and force this. Get
Third
off the
streak
high
lang,
cushion on
kailangan
the
gumawa
left-hand
ng isang
side.
magandang preparation dito para sa bola 7.
Good shot. You folks at home. That was a difficult
At
shot.
perfect ang kanyang ginawang preparation sa bola 7. Rodney Morris,
Made it look easy.
Just like that. Two great shots.
eksaktong preparation sa bola 8.
Right back in it.
At mukhang i-score na dito ang Team USA sa pagkakataon na to.
We've seen
Rack
the
4.
Philippines 3-0 in front before. They've been pegged back, but they haven't been beaten when they've been 3-0. Americans take their first rack.
3-1 na ang
Still
score.
3-1.
Lamang pa rin ang dalawang rack ang Team
Bustamante and
Philippines.
Reyes. They're gonna have to try
Race 5,
put their first
Team
notch
Philippines
in
ang
their
magbe-break
queues
dito.
here.
Alternate
It's
ang
Busti to break.
patakaran dito mga
Rack
kabilyarista.
number 5.
Race 13. So mahaba pa po ito.
Break down now. So the first two breaks is just park that cue ball right in the middle.
May pumasok sa break ni Django Bustamante.
Expected a great
At
standard.
open ang bola 1.
Not being
At binigyan niya
disappointed.
ang kanyang kaibigan at kapartner na si Django Bustamante ng isang easy shot sa ball number 2.
The fact that they're here is all that matters.
I'll tell you one thing.
Grabe kung nagpasayaw ng bola itong ng cue ball itong si Django Bustamante.
Very difficult for
Medyo malakas ng
everyone to get
konti.
in position from
So,
the red
Efren
three
Bata
to the
Reyes.
five here.
Kailangan may balik niya ng magandang posisyon ng cue ball dito.
That's a poor effort at safety. But got second prize.
Safety shot at maganda ang ginawa na Efren. Dumikit ang cue ball sa bola 8 at medyo may kahirapan na tira to para kay Rodney Morris.
Well, that was the last thing Rodney wanted to do there. Develop the 5 and the 7. That couldn't have been any worse.
Good shot ang tira ni Rodney. Pasok ang bola 3 para kay Django.
Proud.
Medyo mahirap na pina pero
Good shot.
si Efren Bata ang titira dito.
Missed it.
A miss. Now.
Yun, sumablay ang pina na Efren at iniwan niyang open ang bola 5 sa Team USA.
Pump this USA team up. Now this
Or Strickland.
4 rounds. Characteristic of playing this
Na shot by Rodney Morris.
game, champ.
Saktong preparation sa bola 7.
Forced errors. This ball.
One thing about this final too,
Mukhang
Kim,
hindi na
that was worth
mapipigilan ng
noting
Team
is
USA dito sa Rock 5
intimidation
at tatapisin ang kalamangan ng Team Philippines ng isang rock. Or Strickland para sa bola 9.
USA.
And it's 3-2 now.
Pasok.
USA has won the last two. That one against the Philippine rack.
So 3-2 na ang score. Rack 6 na tayo. Team USA ang nag-break. Or Strickland.
Perfect speed on the break. He's
Ay,
gonna
pumasok
try
sa
and
break
log that
ni
into his
Earl.
memory banks.
Heard Rodney say earlier,
Rodney Morris.
anytime the cue ball's in the middle of the table, always offers the best chance to get a shot on the object ball.
Pasok ang bola 1.
As far as momentum goes, I don't have to say that it changed.
It's definitely changed shows, Kim. The Americans
Sakto ang ginawang preparation ni Earl Strickland sa bola 4.
Usually
chair.
this team, when you watch them play, they're on 75 RPMs and everybody else is on
Matinding laban to mga kabilyarista. Team Philippines to Team USA. Magaling din po ang pambato ng Team America.
the zone, they can run away and hide
Saktong
on you.
preparation ni Earl Strickland para kay Rodney Mores sa bola 8.
Shoot it straight as
At presto, no problem sa bola 9. Itatabla nila ang score dito sa Rock 6.
Philippines. The last three to the USA, and it is all square.
So 3-all na ang score.
Natives are a little restless here in Newport. So many Filipino fans. came
Red
out to
Rock
support
7 tayo.
Reyes and
Team
Bustamante.
Philippines on break.
They don't
All na ang score. May pumasok sa break na Efren.
you can tell everybody. All week long, anytime.
Mukhang namigit ang cue ball sa bola 5. Ano ko po, inarangan pa ng bola 8 ang bola 1.
Off the cushion.
So Django Bustamante magpo-push out. Yun.
I'll tell you what, going to the first rail, the in rail, catching the one.
Papatulan ba ng USA
bounce in the back,
ang jump shot dito?
and send the cue ball down behind the 9 is one option.
32nd of an inch.
So, Captain Earl Strickland
Roll into it, doesn't matter, a push-out's a foul anyway.
at ang Team USA hindi nag-take ng shot sa pagkakataon na to.
One rail and get the
Django
high side
Bustamante
ones, try to cover the one with the 8.
gagamitin ang reel para sa isang safety shot sana, pero iniwan niyang open ang bola 1 para kay Earl Strickland. Sumablay ang pina ni Earl Strickland ng Team USA.
Everybody's gonna leave them trotted. Thankfully,
Makapal ang pina.
he missed it by enough to clear the pocket.
The speed looked like, well, if he misses and misses on the high side, you could say.
Efren Bata Reyes
That's for sure. This is safe.
bulada sa side ball, pasok.
That's so crucial. Playing
Grabe, palakpakan po ang tao sa ginawang tirang yun na Efren Bata.
ball because any shot.
Django Bustamante sa bola 3.
He was touching the felt before he hits it. Don't
No
try to
problemos.
unless
Sakto ang preparation sa bola 4.
you- Efren has left his partner a little funny here. He has a little puffy and loud.
Medyo mahina ng konti ang tira na Efren. Pero no problem para kay Django. Naku, dalawang bola pa ang pumasok.
Now,
Pasok din ang bola 8.
Efren's
Medyo may
gonna have to
kahirapan
break
ang bola 7 dito. Dikit ang bola pamatos sa reel.
something. Try this at the bottom right.
Speed was imperative for this shot to go.
Efren Bata Reyes. No problemos para kay Magician.
Just got his partner.
At easy shot sa ball number 9. Muling lalamang ang Team Philippines dito sa Rock 7.
At the end of the day, you've still got to knock them in, and that's exactly what Reyes did to keep them on course.
Grabe po ang pinang ginawa ni Efren doon, mga kamilarista.
Here.
Punta na tayo sa Rock 8. Team USA yung break.
Are on serve right now with the alternating break format. And look at Morris's
May
layout.
pumasok sa break ni Rodney ng Team USA. At open ang bola 1 para kay Earl Strickland.
Each time he had a shot. You have to very important to keep an angle.
Just wants to roll through a little here, not much.
It's going to be close to the rail.
Just stay on the left-hand side of the table.
Earl Strickland para sa bola 4.
Both of them think very quickly at the pool.
Saktong preparation sa bola 5. Rodney Morris ng Team USA. Minini na lang ang tira na yon.
These two.
Nice shot.
Very
easy shot sa ball number 8. Team USA
Here, this is great.
muling itatabla ang score dito sa Rack 8.
Everybody expected.
Pasok.
And nobody is going home. This one
Napakaganda po ng laban nila mga kadyalista. Grabe. Rack 9 na tayo. Team Filipino break. 4-all ang score.
PartyPoker.com World Cup title.
Django Bustamante.
And another
Dalawang bola ang pumasok sa break ni Django
Byron
ng
Rock
Team
and St.
Philippines.
Right now, Kim.
Well, you have a feeling that. I mean, this is just really it's awesome, cool, and we just started. I mean, the feeling is.
Efren Bata Reyes, open ang bola 1.
Misses, it could mean the whole thing. I mean, are they ever going to miss, Jim? I've not seen.
Perfect ang preparation sa bola 2.
On the fourth or fifth rack, I think it was. That's the only one I can think of. Apart from that, it has been flawless.
A little bit out of line here now. He doesn't want to run into this 8, that's for sure. Well, excuse me, I guess he does.
Magician. Ginamit pa ang bola 8 para makontrol ang cue ball.
Got his partner holding. Cue or the finger cannot touch the 8 or it'll be a foul.
Pasok. At sakto sa bola 7. Efren Bata Reyes.
It really is.
Just around the angles here for Bustamante and back down for the 9.
Perfect ang preparation ni Django. Easy shot sa bola 9. Muling lalamang ang Team Philippines
And it's a
sa Rack 9.
Team Philippines. One rack clear. It's 5-4. Finally poised.
So 5-4 na uli ang score. Rack 10 na tayo. Team USA break.
With the one coming
Lamang na naman ng isang rack ang Team Philippines. May pumasok sa break ng Team USA.
Mistake.
behind the ball.
Pero nag-safety shot si Rodney Morris.
Mistake from Rodney.
Malakas ang kanyang tira at open ang bola 1 para kay Magician. Sakto ang preparation sa bola 2. Django Bustamante. No problemos.
Just ensuring to leave a nice angle from here to the 5 because he's got to get back over to the 6. You control the cube all the way they are.
Tatlong bola na lang para sa Team Philippines dito sa Rock 10. Django Bustamante para sa bola 7. Great cue ball control by Django. So konting patras na lang para kay Magician. Ginamit pang reel at presto. Team USA at Team Philippines lalamang na ng dalawang rack dito sa Rock 10. Pasok.
Team Philippines flexing its muscle in this final. 6-4 over Team USA.
So 6-4 na ang score. Rack 11 tayo. Team Philippines ang nag-break.
Everything is just set up nice to accept.
May pumasok sa break ni Efren Bata.
Mission impossible, Kim.
Number 8, he's going to try to hit it hard. No, he's elected to play safe.
Nag-safety shot si Django.
Definition of a safety.
May problema kasi sa bola 2. Magkadikit ang bola 2, 3 at 4. So imbis na ipasok na Django Bustamante, nag-safety shot na lang siya sa bola 1.
Gonna miss the green 6-2.
Wow, good shot.
They might find themselves behind those colors again, but
Magician, pasok. Grabe.
decides to attack. Tried to develop these.
Tingnan natin sa slow-mo. Sabay break pa sa bola 3.
How it gets ugly.
Serious trouble there.
Safety shot to.
You're gonna need a slide rule to get out of this one.
Yun. Parang cruising shot to.
You see Efren Reyes, 52
Mahirap
is
nang
very-
tirahin to.
very
Pero
aggressive
there's still chance para kay Rodney.
in this final.
Look at this shot. Look at that shot, but it is a foul. Cue ball must touch a rail.
International rule po tayo mga kabilyarista. Tinamaan ang bola 2 pero nauna ang reel. So foul shot pa rin yun. At bolinahan para sa Team Philippines. Efren Bata Reyes.
Ball in hand. Now they're gonna fall 3 back again. Or at least a big favorite too.
Binigyan ng magandang tira si Django. The kumpare. The partner.
Okay, here we go. 2 rails out for the 6. Making it look very easy. Right now is Reyes and Bustamante. Every shot seems
Team Philippines.
straight in.
Mukhang hindi na mapipigilan dito sa Rock 11.
2 right now.
Muling i-score
Have it.
ang Team Philippines. Gagawing 3 rock ang kalamangan
Last ball in.
sa Team USA.
4 lead. Kim once again.
Yun.
3 in front and threatening to run away and hide on Team USA. 7-4. Rack number 12 at 7-4.
Rock 12 na tayo. Team USA and Drake.
They caught
7-4 na ang score.
first 3.
Lamang na ng 3 rock ang Team Philippines.
Again, they're gonna have to push out after that break.
Let it dry.
May pumasok sa break ni Rodney Morris ng Team USA pero walang kita sa bola 1.
Earl Strickland
Push out.
focused. Don't let him get away.
Yeah.
Harness that
Or
energy.
Strickland.
Well, I won't believe it. He doesn't take this shot. Trying to make it or
Django Bustamante.
save.
Lalabanan ng push out ng Team USA.
Back this ball in the corner pocket. Well, it wasn't a very
Sumablay ang pina ni Django.
move. Fortunate after that.
Act of a desperate man.
Rodney Morris para sa bola 1.
Rodney asked her, what do you want me to do?
Isang kontrabanda.
Whatever. And Rodney says, you want me to get
Oops, grabe. Efren Bata Reyes, masishot ng konti. Good shot by Magician. Grabe. Nakontra pa yun.
This Paris never lost.
We're putting a lot of faith in the table.
Slow shot by
At all.
Strickland. Oh. Mukhang may kuha yata sa bola 1.
He hasn't left us. He's lucky.
Django Bustamante.
So,
May kuha ba sa bola 1? Tignan natin.
English they can do.
Oh, I thought he was frozen on the tee.
Pasok.
Look here. This. No easy shot.
Pero iniwan niyang mahirap na pina para kay Efren Bata ang bola 2.
Oh,
He hit it way too thick.
tell you what.
Pinilit ni Efren
Or he's not gonna get a roll.
pero sumablay ang kanyang pina.
Well,
At mukhang open ang bola 2 para kay Rodney Morris ng Team USA.
he might be able to shoot the 2 and
That's the shot, Kim. But if you don't hit the 9 fly there, if you float over to the left, you could snooker yourself on the 3.
shot.
Good shot.
Pasok pa rin para kay Rodney.
First off this cue.
So magandang chance po to sa Team USA.
That's just phenomenal stuff. That
Grabe. Sentrong-sentro ang tira ni Earl Strickland.
fire that in like it was a BB.
Well, he gives you the impression that he's just thrown the towel in, even listening to him. Here in Newport, each team will have one extension of 40 seconds per rack. Gonna miss the 8. He clipped the 8, but that might be okay. And it might not.
Kinapos ang preparation ni Earl Strickland.
Shot or
So, Rodney Morris kailangan gumawa ng diskarte dito. Kundi lulubo ang kalamangan ng Team Philippines sa kanila.
just hanging around.
Nice shot by Rodney.
7 fours. The Philippine team.
Grabe yung pamamaraan naman ni Django ng Team Philippines.
Best game started here.
Great shot. Grabe oh. Tumama sa banda. So good shot ang tira ng Team Philippines.
Reyes.
Bounce off the rail.
Yun ang sinasabi natin. Napakagaling naman ang ginawang tira noon ni R. Strickland. Perfect. Alanganin na tira sa bola 7. So Efren Bata Reyes gagamit ng reel. Pasok.
Stay away from the chest game.
Palakpakan ng mga tao doon, mga kapitalista. Grabe.
Exactly his intent.
Nabaliwala ang tirang yon ni R. Strickland ng Team USA.
Fantastic shot by Reyes.
Ibang klase talaga si Magician.
And Bustamante
Ayun.
knocks in the 8.
At easy shot sa ball number 9.
Tell you
Team
what,
Philippines
great player that helps his team.
lalamang na ng 4 na rack sa Team USA. Ayos.
The scoreline here in Newport. Team Philippines now 4 clear of Team USA.
So 8-4 na ang score.
This final match,
Rack 13 na tayo.
the worst one of them all.
Team Philippines ang nag-break. 5 rack na lang ang kailangan ng Team Philippines.
Side rail, and after what I just seen,
Grabe.
Available to the same pocket.
May pumasok
he might
sa
shoot
break
one-handed
ni Django.
line. And he did shoot it one-handed.
Grabe naman ang ginawa ni Efren Bata Reyes.
I don't know.
Isang kamay lang kanyang ginamit.
Sometimes
One hand shot.
you can get lower. Drop your other hand to the knee. You can get lower and more comfortable.
Final match na ng tira mo. Grabe talaga itong sa Efren. At pinahirapan ng Team USA sa tira na yon.
Left. And you can see where the 2 is, tucked right up
Muntik nang nag-shoot ang tira ng Team USA.
the other side of it.
Django Bustamante. Perfect shot.
You know,
Nako
is it
po.
possible Reyes could be playing a little bit of a mind game still?
Because, you know, I seen
Walang magawa si R. Strickland dito kundi mapakatingin na lang.
Not that one.
You've got to move the table back after that one.
Medyo alanganin ang ginawang preparation ni Django.
Right-hand side for the 5.
Efren Bata Reyes kailangan mag-exert ng extra effort dito sa bola 4.
That's the 7. Oh, he snipped it, but I believe that was
Ginamit
played.
pa ang isang bola.
Snips that side of it.
Hintik na namang tumama sa bola 6. Grabe ang tingin ni R. Strickland dito mga kabilyadista. Hindi makapaniwala sa manangyayari sa panahon na to. Efren Bata Reyes, minimina lang ang bola 6 at sakto ang preparation sa bola 7. Gumamit pa ng 3 giros si Django at presto. Team Philippines lalamang na ng 5 rack. Grabe. Ang 9-4 na ang score. Rack 14 na tayo. Team USA ang nag-break sa pagkakataon na to. May pumasok sa break ni R. Strickland. Pero cover po ang bola 1. Push out si Rodney Morris. Team Philippines di nag-take shot sa pagkakataon na to. So Rodney Morris babalik sa table. Oh my god. Pupil scratch. Ginaalat po ang Team USA. Ball in hand sa Team Philippines. Efren Bata Reyes. So may konting problema na lang sila dito. Dalawang bola ang medyo magkatigit. Bola 5 at bola 7. Pag nagawa nila to ng paraan, nako po. Lulubo na ang kalamangan ng Team Philippines. Walang magawa ang Team USA kundi tumingin na lang sa dalawang pinakamagaling namang lalaro ng Pilipinas. So kailangan ma-break. Binigyan ni Efren si Django ng isang magandang pagkakataon dito. Tignan natin. Sinipat ni Django. Pwedeng safety shot to. Wow! Ibang klase ka talaga si Magician. Grabe yung pina na yun. Django Bustamante. Perfect ang preparation sa bola 7. Yan na po mga kabilyarista. Lalamang na ng 6 na rack ang Team Philippines. 2 digits na ang Team Philippines. Grabe, 10-4 ang score. Rack 50 na tayo. Team Philippines on break. May pumasok na naman sa break ng Team Philippines. Efren Bata Reyes. Dalawang bola ang pumasok sa break na Efren. Wow! Grabe yung pina na yun. Tatlong rack na lang ang kailangan ng Team Philippines para sungkitin sa unang-unang pagkakataon sa Philippine history, sa billiard history. Ano ba yun? Unang-unang pagkakataon ng Team Philippines na magkaroon ng kampyonate kung sakasakali. Sa World Cup of Pool. 11-4 na ang score. Team Philippines wins 7 consecutive racks. Grabe. From 4-all to 11-4. Rack 16 na tayo. Team USA yung break. May pumasok sa break ng Team USA. Nice shot by Earl Strickland. Medyo tinatamangan na ang Team USA dito mga kabilyarista. 2 rack na lang kailangan ng Team Philippines para manalo sa larong ito. Medyo inaalat talaga ang Team USA. Hindi pa pumapabor sa kanila ang bola. Nice safety shot by Earl Strickland ng Team USA. Kailangan niyang mag-extra effort dito. Hindi lang extra effort, kundi full of extra effort para humabol ng 7 rack at may tabla ang kanilang score sa Team Philippines. Good shot pa rin para kay Efren Bata-Reyes, pero iniwan niyang open kay Rodney Morris ng Team USA ang bola 3. O bola 4. Pagkakataon to ng Team USA. Yun ang may score dito sa rack 16.
This is Earl Strickland. This is why people come watch him play. Whether it right, whether it wrong.
Team USA i-score na rin after 8 racks.
He walks a tight wire, doesn't he? Trying to keep his emotions in check.
So 11-5 na ang score. 6 ng rack pa rin ang kalamangan ng Philippines sa USA. Rack 17. Team Philippines on break. Django Bustamante. May pumasok sa break ni Django. Uh-oh. Grabe.
But Bustamante and Reyes have heard it all before.
Grabe naman ang tira na Efren Bata-Reyes. Isang perfect na safety shot. Foul shot para kay Rodney. Efren Bata-Reyes o Django Bustamante sa isang combination. Medyo malakas pero okay pa rin. Kayang-kaya to na Efren Bata-Reyes.
You can't deny the ability, the talent, and when it's flying. side than against you, Kim.
No doubt about it. But what I'm going to take away from this, one or two things go wrong, it looks like it blows up and but it just kind of carried over with Rodney.
Minanilang ni Django Bustamante ang bola 3. At perfect ang kanyang preparation sa bola
Anyway,
6.
back to this team that's flawless match.
Just really, when you think about it, there's only one worse position than Rodney Morris's chair right now. That's the one beside Earl on the flight home.
Well, let's see, you're pretty right about that, Jim.
Great shot for Bustamante again.
So
Beautiful.
side ball shot para kay Efren Batares.
Okay, rails around. The 9 ball.
Yun na mga kabilyarista.
And a little short of pace.
Medyo kinapos ng konti ang preparation na Efren.
Not a chance.
Naku po,
Cut in.
pag napasok to,
Anything else.
Players really like
nasa heel na po ang Team Philippines sa pagkakataon na to.
anything, but if they have to cut them, they can do it.
Yun!
And on the hill,
Team Philippines is now on the heel. 12-5 ang score.
systematic demolition.
Palakpakan po ang mga manonood dito, lalo na mga Pilipino. Rock 18, Team USA yung break.
Followed through with it, even though
Well, yeah, you're right. He did follow through with it. One has to wonder.
Parang inuupos na kandila na si R. Strickland.
Really,
May pumasok sa break ni R. Kaso nga lang,
he's taking the lead.
nakatago ang bola 1 at napilitang mag-push out si Rodney Morris.
something
Binigyan niya ng isang long shot si Django Bustamante para sa bola 1.
It's virtually impossible to catch, I would say.
Oops,
Whack at it.
sumablay si Django sa long shot.
other than the 1-7 combination.
R. Strickland
Should be
nang gagalaiti.
ended right here.
Sumablay siya sa isang
USA
easy combination.
get out of that hot seat
Efren Batares, pasok pa rin ang bola 1.
right now as we speak. See him in the background.
I think this is the beginning
Hindi na
of the end
tumitigil
as far as Team
sa
USA's
pagtibok
run in this
at
event.
bilis ang mga puso ng mga manonood sa pagkakataon to mga kabilyarista. For the first time in billiard history, Team Philippines
Just not so sure that
magkakampyon dito sa World Cup of Pool.
this Filipino team right here, this particular
Efren
night,
Batares and Django Bustamante.
9 ball.
Great
I don't think anybody could have
big history para sa kanilang dalawa.
shot making and
Making a great big history in the billiard.
artistic display.
2 bola na lang.
Cool wizardry here.
Efren Batares, sisilyoan na ang bola 8.
And they're leaving as the team to beat.
Jim, I'd like to say it's been a pleasure working with you. You made things easy for me.
Django Bustamante, walang kaba.
Gotcha, Kim. Francisco for the
Pasok!
resounding victory.
Champion po ang Team Philippines dito mga kabilyarista.
Everybody
13-5 final score.
World Cup of Pool Champions.
Ayan at nagsisigawan ng mga manonood dito. Lalong-lalo na ang mga Pilipino
On the
na dumalos sa larong ito.
Perez and Francisco Bustamante. This is your night. The first
For the first time,
poker.com.
Team Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood mga kabilyarista. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa ating channel, Sirdan TV, mag-subscribe na po kayo at pinutin yung notification bell at share po ang ating video at i-like po ito at comment down below po kayo para ma-shoutout ko po kayo sa ating susunod na mga video. Maraming salamat po at God bless po sa inyong lahat.